Hello dear students, today we are going to study about the topic of dispersion of light and prism. As we are studying chapter number 9 optics, the very important point of prism is now we are going to study in today's article. So before starting, we have to understand the concept called as dispersion of light. As we know, light can have different colors. Such colors are produced by varying the wavelength of light. ओके, जसं की आपण म्हणतो वेवलेंथ बदलल्यानंतर लाईटचा कलरसुद्धा आपल्याला बदललेला बघायला मिळतो. वेवलेंथप्रमाणेच फ्रिक्वेन्सी, ओके, जस्ट लाईक वेवलेंथ, फ्रिक्वेन्सी इज अनदर physical quantity on varying which we can see the change in color of light. That's why the color of light that we see actually depends upon the frequency of that incident ray or wave or beam, we can say. So that's why refractive index of any transparent medium, which depends upon frequency of the incident ray, will increase with frequency. ओके, दॅट मीन्स रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स जी असेल ती बदलत असेल तर आपल्याला डिफरंट कलर्स त्या ट्रान्सपरंट मीडियममधून बाहेर पडताना बघायला मिळतील. ओके, सो दिस इज फॉर रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स ऑफ ए ट्रान्सपरंट मीडियम. मग आता जर समजा एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट, ट्रान्सपरंट ऑब्जेक्ट आपण कन्सिडर केला आणि डिफरंट लाईट रेज त्यावर इन्सिडेंट होत असतील. सो फॉर दिस केस डिफरंट कलर्स विल बी ऑब्टेन्ड आउट ऑफ दॅट ट्रान्सपरंट मीडियम अँड दिस फिनॉमिनॉन इज कॉल्ड एज डिस्पर्शन. ओके, नाउ हियर वी हॅव टू सी वन डायग्राम. In this diagram we can see one white light beam is incident on a interface of a transparent material medium. After that incidence, the ray will eventually deviate in two different directions according to this diagram. One ray is going towards red color and the other one emerged as violet color. So this is how white light is distributed in two different colors. So white light is actually a combination of 7 colors formed in rainbow. The example is rainbow, which is formed because of white light. Okay, so white light is nothing but the mixture of 7 colors, 7 natural colors. So here in this diagram we can see 2 colors out of these 7 colors. Red and violet are the two extreme colors of rainbow, as we also know. So this process of conversion of white light into its constituent colors is called as angular dispersion. Okay, so for obliquely incident rays the angle of refraction is different for different color because these rays are separated and travels along different directions, and this phenomenon is called as angular dispersion. Okay, just like angular dispersion we have another phenomenon called as lateral dispersion. So what is mean by lateral dispersion? जसं आपण मोनोक्रोमॅटिक बीम ऑफ लाईट म्हणतो, त्याचप्रमाणे पॉलिक्रोमॅटिक बीमसुद्धा असतो. ओके, पॉलिक्रोमॅटिक मीन्स हॅविंग different colors, large number of rays of different colors are involved in such beam. This beam is called as polychromatic beam. ओके, मोनोक्रोमॅटिक मध्ये एकच कलर आपल्याला बघायला मिळेल. मोनो मीन्स वन, बट पॉली मीन्स मेनी. दॅट्स वाय लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कलर्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ लाईट रेज कॉल्ड एज पॉलिक्रोमॅटिक बीम ऑफ लाईट. जर हा पॉलिक्रोमॅटिक बीम ऑफ लाईट ट्रान्सपरंट मीडियमवरती इन्सिडेंट होत असेल, ओके, हियर इन दिस डायग्राम transparent slab of glass is shown. It is a parallel transparent slab actually, and when such polychromatic beam of light is incident on this slab, the emergent rays, we can see in this diagram, emergent rays which are going out of that slab are also parallel to each other and also aligned in the direction of initial ray. ओके, इन्सिडंट रेच्याच डायरेक्शनला हे इमर्ज रे सुद्धा बघायला मिळतात. सो द perpendicular distance of these emergent rays from the direction of incident ray is nothing but the lateral dispersion. ओके, तर या डायग्रामनुसार लॅटरल डिस्पर्शन LR आणि LV या दोन डिस्टन्सेसने आपण बघू शकतो. सो LR is the lateral displacement for the red color of ray and LV is for violet ray. Okay, so the dispersion of these rays from incident direction of ray are called as lateral dispersions. So after lateral dispersion, we have to see the point of prism. Okay, as we know, in order to have dispersion, okay, to obtain dispersion, two different types of parallel surfaces are not useful. That's why prisms are introduced, and prism is the equipment which have three surfaces. Okay, प्रिझमला काय असतात, तीन डिफरंट सर्फेसेस असतात, ज्यापैकी दोन सर्फेस हे रिफ्रॅक्शनसाठी यूज केले जातात. ओके, 2 सर्फेसेस आउट ऑफ 3 आर टेकिंग पार्ट इन रिफ्रॅक्शन अँड दी अदर वन विच इज नॉट ॲक्च्युअली टेकिंग पार्ट इन रिफ्रॅक्शन इज कॉल्ड ॲज द बेस ऑफ प्रिझम. ओके, सो बेस ऑफ prism is not taking part in process of refraction, but the other two which are perpendicular to each other are two surfaces of prism which are useful for this purpose. Okay, so this is the structure of prism. In this diagram we can see a triangular shape of prism is there. So how this prism we are going to use for monochromatic light and white light, this is also important. So the next point is refraction through a prism. Okay, here we can take two different conditions. First is for monochromatic beam of light. Okay, and the second condition is for white light. White light is obviously polychromatic beam of light. So actually these are two beams. One is monochromatic, the other one is polychromatic or white light. So when monochromatic beam of light incident on the principal section of the prism, then we can see single emergent ray is there. Okay, monochromatic beam जेव्हा प्रिझमच्या प्रिन्सिपल सेक्शनला इन्सिडंट करेल. सो व्हॉट इज मीन बाय प्रिन्सिपल सेक्शन? प्रिन्सिपल सेक्शन इज द section of a prism which is perpendicular to the base or which is taking part in refraction. ओके, सो मोनोक्रोमॅटिक बीम ज्या वेळेस प्रिन्सिपल सेक्शनवरती इन्सिडंट होईल तेव्हा सिंगल इमर्जंट रे आपल्याला रिफ्रॅक्शनला मिळेल. दिस इज ॲक्च्युली द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिफ्रॅक्शन फॉर प्रिझम. बट इन केस ऑफ व्हाईट बीममध्ये रिफ्रॅक्शन न होता इथे एंग्युलर डिस्पर्शन झालेलं आपल्याला बघायला मिळते. सो इन केस ऑफ पॉलीक्रोमॅटिक ऑर व्हाईट बीम विच इज incident on principal section of prism, we can see the phenomenon of angular dispersion, because white beam have 7 constituent colors present in rainbow and these are dispersed out when white light incident on a principal section of the prism. So this is how we can see angular dispersion in case of white beam and refraction in case of monochromatic beam. So this is about refraction through a prism. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.